Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, we're going to be showing you guys how to make a cheesy Mexican cornbread casserole. And these are the ingredients that you're going to need. Alright, I got 2 packages of oil paso seasoning, a jalapeno. I got 5 eggs. I got some Rotels right here, and I got some chili beans right here. I have a bell pepper, and I have a lime. I have red onion. I have 2.5 pounds of ground chuck, 80/20. I have some sharp cheddar cheese. I have some Fiesta blended cheese. I have a 1.5 cups of milk. I have some corn right here, and this is what we're going to need right here. This Jiffy mix right here. And also, I do have some more cheese that I'm going to be using. I'm not going to use all the cheese. I'll tell you as we go. I have not made this dish in a long time, over 20 years. So bear with me. All right, this Jiffy mix right here, we're going to use this entire box because I got 2 pans. I'm going to use one of these pans. This is for someone else because they don't like onions. And I'm going to use this one right here. Alright? So, let's just jump into it, guys. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to start with this meat right here. We're going to chop up our vegetables and all that good stuff, and I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I am back. So first thing we're going to get started with is a little season for this. We're going to put us some granulated onion in here. We're going to come with like a teaspoon of that. Like so. We're going to come with some garlic, granulated, teaspoon of that. Try to spread it about. Alright. And then we're going to come in with like our bell peppers. This is a whole bell pepper. Put that in here. I dice mine up kind of small. I don't like big chunks and stuff like that. Alright, so we need some salt. A little bit, guys. You got that seasoning package, okay? So we're gonna come with 1/2 teaspoon of this. Just like so. Now we need some black pepper. We'll come in here with some black pepper. We're gonna come with a teaspoon of that. And that's all we're gonna do for now. Because remember, I told you a lot of people in my family don't eat onions, so we're gonna add this later. I chop mine up super fine, guys. Super fine, okay? If you can see that. Alright. I did do my jalapenos right here. They kind of thin as well. Alright. And here's my lime. I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that later. Alright, we're going to start cooking this stuff up, guys. Once this brown up, then we're going to add our seasoning package after we drain this. Okay, we're going to add our other ingredients as well. So stay tuned in over that way. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, we're going to start incorporating this stuff in here. Now one thing I did forget to tell you guys what I had on the table was some garlic paste. And we're going to put that in here as well. We're going to take a teaspoon of that. Just like so. So yeah, so anyway, this should take about 15 minutes or whatever to brown up. You just want to make sure you mix the seasoning up in here well. You won't have seasoning in one spot. Alright guys, I'll show you when it gets brown. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, we're getting there. Not quite ready yet. I want to cook all this grease So I see a lot of grease up in here. It ain't gonna be a lot because it's 80-20. But I don't want no grease whatsoever in this dish. Alright, we got about another 5 more minutes on this. I'll show you what we be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. 5 minutes. We're gonna add about a cup and a half of corn in here. Matter of fact, you might as well add the whole bag. Okay, this is a 12-ounce bag. Just like that. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Here is a packet and a half of seasoning. The oil pepper. Here's the pack. And put a half in here. Okay, that should be enough. Mix this up. Now we're going to take our beans, add that in there. Put this on medium. Now most people use black beans. I'm not a big fan of black beans. So I use these chili beans. Or you can use pinto beans. Or whatever kind of beans you want to use. Alright. So we're going to come in here with our Rotel. I think I want to drain some of this juice. Yep, I sure do. Alright. Put that can in there. Like so. Mix that up. Alright guys, we're just going to let this simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're going to add some cheese into this. Alright? Then we're going to let it sit. Alright. We're going to let this simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're going to add us like a cup of cheese. Before we do that, we're going to take them limes. We're just going to squeeze some of this lime juice in here. Should have left it in halves, but hey. So a half a lime. Alright, stir that around. Even it out. Okay. Now we're going to take a cup of cheese. This is just to thicken it up. Have to keep everything together. Alright. Mix that around. And we're going to just let this guy sit while we work on our batter. Okay? Cheesy stuff. Mexican cornbread casserole. Back, we're going to go ahead and start with our eggs. So be careful, you don't want no shells or nothing. Also make sure you have your oven preheated guys at 425 degrees. Add our milk in here slowly. The rest of the milk in there. Take your time, because if you get to stirring fast, this will splash out. Alright. Now, we're going to add our taco, the little bit of the taco seasoning. We're going to add that in there. done, we'll go to our dish. Put that over here. Put us a little oil in here, like 2 tablespoons. You can tilt it however you want to do it. You can take a paper towel. Let's try 3 tablespoons. I'm going to pour our batter in here. Nice little thin layer. Spread that about like so. It's going to come with our meat. Nice even layers. Like so. I'm gonna come with a cup of Parmesan Romano. Put on top of that. Throw our other cheese, Fiesta, cutting that. Best Mexican cornbread casserole that you'll ever have, I guarantee. And we got some sharp cheddar, come with a half cup of that. Cheesiest. Oh man, okay, I think that's enough right there. Spread this about. We're gonna cook this guy for about a good 30 minutes. Now, we gotta pour our other layer of bread on here. Our mix or whatever you wanna call it. Like that. Like this. And just like move it about. Now, I'm take a few of these jalapenos, which I'm not going to even use. I'm not going to even use the jalapeno guy because it was already spicy enough for me. So I'm good on that. I'm going to take some of these red onions, drizzle some of these on here. Now if you want to put some in your meat, you're welcome to do so. Alright, that's what we're looking like, guys, right here. So we're going to pop this in the oven, guys. Clean that up. And let this bad boy cook. See you guys in 30 minutes. Okay, fam, I'm finally done. Actually, I've been done. I had to leave and go somewhere. So this is it right here. The cheesy Mexican cornbread casserole. This is how it looks at the bottom of it. If you can see that, you probably can't. But yeah, that's it right here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece up and do my presentation. I just wanted to show you that real quick. I did let it sit for about an hour. I'm not gonna lie, cause I've been gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up, show you the presentation, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Much love. Okay, guys, I'm finally done. Here's how it looks up close. You can see that. Cheesy Mexican cornbread casserole. So if you guys like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell, just like so. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching VELDOGGS Kitchen. And I'm out of here. Much love.